Hey, what's up guys? I'm the Abu Kalam again here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate unlimited photo or arts using Adobe Firefly. If you don't know about Adobe Firefly is a text to image, text to art generate. At first look, you can see this is the Adobe Firefly dashboard. Now here's a lots of options you can generate text to image, generate fill, text to effects, generate fill, recolor, 3D to image, text to vector. So this video I'm show you only text to image. If you interested to know others option, please comment below. I will try to create a video only for you. So you can see this is Adobe Firefly already pre-created images. Wow, this look like a very nice, and you are able to create lots of options. Number one, a landscape, portrait, square and white screen, 16:19. This is a YouTube ratio, and you are created two type of photo. Number one, photo. Number two, arts. So this is a photo. Wow, this is really good. And scroll down. Wow, back option. Here are millions of photo available here. You are download. It's absolutely free. You don't need any payment, any cards, any others requirement here. So if I scroll down, wow, this is pretty good. Wow, this is a plug on a lipid in a pond with a reflection. This is really nice. So if you want to generate images or art, just try here main sky, it food. Just enter, then what you can see here. I mean, if you are class 5, you are generate and able to use this tool for free, because this is beginner friendly website. Wow, this is a really good and beautiful images. So if this is actually art, not images. So if you want to generate image, just click here, photo. This art convert in photo. If you want to visual intensity, just scroll mouse over. Wow, it's really good, nice. So if you want to download this photo, just click here, then just click this icon, just download again, continue. This downloaded already started. So if you want to more video about those type of chat GPT big money online, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care. Bye.